Hi, it's Debbie. I'm in my Tupperware demo room, Tupperware kitchen, whatever you want to call it. My favorite place to be in the house. But can you believe we're on day 17 of the 30-day diet? I'm still liking it. I'm getting tired of cherry tomatoes and carrots. No, cherry tomatoes and cucumbers. So we'll fix that today with something different. But for the most part, it's really good. I have way more than enough food. And a reminder, if you're going out for dinner, there's nothing wrong with eating salad and chicken or salad and grilled chicken and vegetables. So you can still go out. But day 17, we have for breakfast yogurt and pineapple. For lunch, we have tossed salad with cheese, mozzarella cheese, and salsa. And then for dinner, we're going to have hamburger patties with cauliflower. And then for um, snack, we're going to have nuts. And we're going to have, and I'm going to buy different nuts at the store tomorrow or Saturday. And then we're going to have carrots, celery, and some ranch dip. Take a break from the cherry tomatoes, although I have a few left. The first thing I want to throw in is the hamburger patty in the micro pro grill. I like to start cooking everything right away. And you can salt and pepper it. And we'll put it in, the grill is cold. Some people warm it up, I don't warm it up. So it's cold, so I'll put it in for about 4 minutes or 3 minutes. The thing gets really hot really fast. So really hot, really fast. Okay, so for breakfast, I really enjoyed this banana yogurt. So we're gonna have the banana yogurt, and we're going to have pineapple. And even with the salad, when I bring it home, I like to segment it out into these Fridge Smart because they stay fresher. And then this is about one serving. And then you just move this to open all the way, close, or half. And I'll tell you on the side, or you can look it up online. But most of them are on the side. So that is our breakfast and lunch. No, our breakfast. And then we're going to do our lunch. And this is the same thing. When I get the package of lettuce, or I buy the head of lettuce, I cut it up and then I put it in different Fridge Smart containers. So yes, I have about 7 or 8. Just now I have 4 right here. But I have them so that it keeps the vegetables fresh because vegetables are expensive. So you don't want to waste vegetables. And when you leave it in the bag or the container, it can go bad. It doesn't keep it as fresh. You can grate your own cheese, and maybe one of these days I'll be able to grate some cheese. This is the off the block, which means it's like thicker than the finely shredded one. And I will use my quarter cup to measure it. Let's go over a little bit. But I like mozzarella cheese on my salad. I'll spread it out. Mozzarella cheese is good. And to make it a little bit different and a little bit spicier, we are going to use salsa instead of a dressing. Salsa. So I'll just take a snack cup, and I'm not going to put it in with the salad because it'll take up room that I want to save for the salad. You can take, salsa is pretty much healthy to eat. You just have to make sure you buy one that's healthier than others, I guess. So that's lunch right there. Salad, mozzarella cheese, and salsa. It sounds good, doesn't it? I think it does. Okay, and this is our hamburger patty. It's cooked a lot already. All the grease and stuff is on the end. It has a little reservoir around. I'll show it to you. There's a little reservoir around. And these are just frozen hamburger patties. Of course, you can make your own hamburger patties, but there's like a reservoir around here, so it doesn't sit in the grease. It drains to the side. And we'll flip this over because, as I've said in the past, the top of my microwave is hotter than the bottom. So the top gets brown more than the bottom. So if you turn it halfway, cooking it, and this isn't going to need another 3 minutes, because it's pretty cooked already. And what do we want next? We want to have our cauliflower ready, because that's going in as soon as that's over. So I put water in the bottom of the reservoir, and this is the steamer basket, and this is the Fridge Smart that's kept my cauliflower fresh. We'll just dump that in there. When you boil it or steam it on the stove, some of the nutrients get into the water. This one, it truly steams it. So because it truly steams it, it's healthier. Less nutrients are out of it. We're going to check this because this is really hot. Yeah, it's done. And this we'll put in. Well, we're going to put it in for like 6 minutes, but we're going to put the hamburger patties. This is the divided dish. Some people don't like their food touching. I don't care. It's all going to the same place. But the divided dishes are nice. I feel like I have so much more room today. And did you notice we have a new addition to my drinks? This is an Echo water bottle. And I want to tell you, it is water. It's not Diet Coke, not root beer. It's Diet Coke. Okay, so next, I wish I could see the clear button on here. I have to mark it because I didn't bring my glasses. You ask one of you to read it from there. Okay, so 5 more minutes. We'll check it after a little while. Might be done before then. So this is hamburger. Now we are going to do carrots. Remember, you can keep more of these in your refrigerator to snack on during the day. I always make one container to take with me. So if I'm going out, I grab it. So I went to a meeting last night and I grabbed it and I took it with me. So on the way to the meeting, I was eating it, snacking on it. I'm not a big fan of celery sticks. As I said, I've eaten my share of cherry tomatoes this week. And cucumbers. Those cucumbers are really good. So, we'll have, and I got the light ranch dressing. And then you have, can you see? Can you see? Ranch dressing, carrot sticks, and celery sticks. Isn't that a refreshing snack? And of course, nuts. Breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. Tomorrow I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I usually go on the weekend or Friday, Saturday, or Sunday to get what I need for the rest of the week. And that way, I'm gonna look for other things because I can eat the same thing every day, but I don't want to show you guys that I'll eat the same thing every day. I'd rather show different ideas on what to eat. This is the cauliflower. We're steaming it. And that's all you have to do. It has to be in for a few more minutes. And then once the cauliflower is done, the cauliflower will be in this section. So we have hamburger, cauliflower, snacks, a lunch, and breakfast. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. I hope you're getting ideas on how to eat healthier, how to use Tupperware to make your life easier, any of those things. I know one thing it's helping me is to lose weight. I still have ways to go, but I'm really happy with how much weight I've been losing. So have a nice day and thank you for watching.